Hello viewers, today I like to show you how to unfollow users in Instagram. First, open Instagram app, tap on the profile that you like to unfollow. Here the new following button. Tap on following button. From this pop-up, you can unfollow this user. Tap on unfollow and the following button became follow. You can use another way by tap on the profile button from bottom right. Tap on following. Tap the following button and tap unfollow. So these are the steps to unfollow someone on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.